This week's Safety Toolbox Talk is about the month of April being the distracted driving and defensive driving month every year. I think you probably know where I'm going with this. All of us commute to and from work every day. Some drive further than others. We cover a lot of territory. And I know that as you're driving, you could be daydreaming, you could be listening to the radio, you could be maybe drinking a cup of coffee with the Danish in your hands while you're driving. Your favorite song comes on, you're turning up the volume. You're always playing, you're moving around. Are you checking your mirrors to see what other motorists are doing around you? And then the worst scenario is this social media thing. There's so many blogs written about this right now, and the fact that we're playing too much on the phones while we're driving. So you've got the sandwich in your hand, you've got the cup of coffee, somebody's texting or calling you, you've got Bluetooth on, you got cars moving in and around you, you've got pedestrians that are crossing in front of you. There are so many distractions while we're driving in today's world. So they've reached out to us and they've asked us to talk about this in the month of April to stay focused, keeping our eyes on the road, our hands on the wheels, and taking this son of a gun and putting it in the glove box and getting it out of reach. So this week, let's talk a little bit about that. Fleet drivers with Berglund Construction Company. We talk often about this media stuff. We have a policy, no texting while we're driving, no calls when we're driving. Simply pull over, turn on your emergency flashers. If you need to use your social media, do so in a safe way. Let's make it a safe week. Thank you.